In today's video, we are going to have a closer look at Turbocharge. It is a tool from YouHodler that lets you clone your crypto. There are a few things that you need to know before using it. We are going to open a long position in this video. When to use Turbocharge and how to use it. We will show you everything step by step. It is a great investing tool in a bull market. So make sure to watch all the way through. In our last video, we have already shown you what Turbocharge is. In case you missed that video, here is a quick recap. Or click the link if you want to watch the entire review of YouHodler. You find the link in the top right corner. Now a quick summary of Turbocharge from our last video.
Turbocharge allows you to get more crypto with borrowed funds. Crypto Turbocharge is based on the cascade of loans principle. You use your initial amount of crypto as collateral for a first loan. The platform automatically uses this loan to buy more crypto. The platform repeats this step as many times as you'd like. You unlock the final amount of crypto after repaying the turbo loan. Clone your crypto with YouHodler's Turbocharge if you believe in further price growth.
The last part is key. This only works during a bull market. Do not use it in a bear market. Trust me, you will lose your money. However, if you watched my other videos, I strongly believe that we are in a bull market this year. So now is the perfect time to use Turbocharge and leverage your crypto holdings. I can't give you financial advice, but that's what I'm doing. Alright, we're back in my account. I've sent over some BNB to get a loan and clone my crypto, so to say. In the past days, the market dropped around 20%, which happens even in a bull market. After a drop is a great time to open a long position. That's what I want to show you now. Make sure to select a loan to value ratio of 70%. Otherwise, your PDL will be at -5%. That means if the market drops by 5%, you will get liquidated. In the crypto space, 5% ups or downs are nothing. So better pick a loan to value ratio of 70%. Okay, I have selected BNB as collateral. Instead of 3, let's get 5 loans. Now we got the exact numbers for the loan with an interest fee of 3.2%. YouHodler will use all this money to buy more crypto, in this case, BNB. I'm expecting price growth, and I have 60 days before I have to pay back the loans. All that's left to do is agree to the terms. And hit confirm. It's gonna take a few seconds until it's processed. If you like this video so far, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, leave a comment about a cryptocurrency project that adds value to our community. Then we can cover it in future videos. Alright, now our Turbocharge is active. As you can see, I got 60 days before I have to pay the loan. This number down here is important. If BNB drops 25%, I get liquidated. So hopefully Binance doesn't drop under $400 within the next 2 months. On the right hand side, I've got the option to repay the loan, set a close price, and close the position now. I'm going to set a close price with a profit I would be very happy with. A 20% gain would be great in my opinion. I've set the price to $626. If we hit this price target, my position will be closed automatically, and we get the profits. We already hit the target price level while I was making this video. I didn't expect this, but now I can show you the results in the same video. By leveraging our crypto, we have turned 7.4 BNB into 9. How great is that? And it all happened within a few days. Welcome to the crypto space. But remember, even in a bull market, prices can drop by 20 to 30%. Sometimes more. After these drops, you get a good opportunity to enter the market. However, don't try this in a bear market. Of course, no one knows for sure, but chances that you make profits are higher in a bull market. So what do you think of Turbocharge? Are you going to use it? Let us know in the comments. Thanks a lot for staying until the end. It's a great time to be involved with crypto. See you next time.